What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here in the desert. It is 101 degrees and we're camping in it, but hopefully I don't sweat my clothes off tonight because Cybertake sent me out this air conditioner, and honestly I'm excited to be a bougie bitch and be all nice and comfortable out here, because you know your boy is a desert rat at heart. He loves the desert. That's where like literally all the off-road trails are in Arizona, is just out in the desert. Really haven't found much out in the forest, sadly. I really wish that I could find some like off-road forest trails, but really can't find anything up in Flagstaff. I like the technical stuff, you know, and can't really find much up there. But if you live in Flagstaff and know any technical spots, let me know down in the comments. But we have this Cybertake air conditioner, and I am sweating right now. I was sweating filming, and we're gonna set this bad boy up, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion because I've never used it ever before, and it's gonna be the first initial thoughts. And if it really works out, I'm excited to use it this summer because I love the desert, and if we can stay cool while we're camping at night, that would be preferred, because there's been many times where I've been out like on a road trip and I need to camp somewhere for the night and it's 90 degrees and end up just sweating all night, and it's not very fun. So I'm excited to test this guy out. I'm gonna get it set up right now and hop in the camper and edit a little bit of videos and see how like how it does, how I feel, if it's circulating within the camper. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it tonight, but I'll probably put it upstairs, but I'm gonna set it down here while I get all started up. And I have this thermometer right here, so we're gonna test the difference between the outside and the inside. The sun is actually going down right now, so it's getting a little bit cooler, but still, it's not like a camping weather. But yeah, let me get it all set up, and I'll catch up with you guys after that. Alrighty, so after running it for about like 2 hours, I kind of love it. It's a game changer towards summertime desert camping for me, at least. Kept the camper kind of like 73 degrees on the inside, which is super comfortable, at least for me. And yeah, we're just we're digging it. I'm gonna use this tonight a little bit because the low is gonna get down to like, I think 80. It's doable sleeping like that, but we're gonna keep it running all night and see how she does. I would have to say the controller that it comes with is super nice. It really, you know, it is a thermostat also, so like it kind of reads where the actual controller is. And you can control it from up atop on your camper, kind of up in your rooftop tent, and you can adjust it. You don't have to go to the actual interface on the AC unit. Along with the really cool bag and the wireless remote, it comes with these hoses also, which I did realize I probably should have ran it that way, because for the cooling aspect, it shoots the hot air through the back, which I kind of just had it butted up against the camper, so it kind of just went down through the tailgate seams. But if I had the actual like hose to reroute the hot air out of the camper, probably would have worked a lot better. It's kind of working how I ran it flawlessly. It comes with these like kind of like built-in deals where I can put these hoses in there, and the hoses are really nice because they're not like very fragile, like they won't break and put holes in it. And they pack up really nicely. Everything fits in this bag, which is really cool. And that's how I probably should have ran it while I was in there. And this is also a heater too. So I ran this at my house to kind of see what the heat in, or the heat outtake, or the heating element. And it did pretty good. It would not compare to a diesel heater, I would have to say, but did pretty good. But honestly, gonna test it out tonight and see how cold I can get the camper on the inside. And we're gonna make dinner right now. So let me put all this stuff away, and we're gonna hop to the tailgate, make some dinner. All right, guys, so it's getting dark right now, and we're gonna make some dinner. We're gonna make some of these Chef Bruce Cajun style andouilles. I don't even know how you say that, but we're gonna make those tonight. And little bit of macaroni salad also, and then it'll probably be an early night. I'm gonna hop in the camper and probably do a little bit of work and then go to bed. But I will let you guys know in the morning how this air conditioner works, how it does. I really don't want to sweat tomorrow morning, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. And then we're gonna hit some off-road trails in the morning. It's gonna be a fun time, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. I slept pretty dang good last night up in the camper with the new Cybertake S2 air conditioner, and I kind of turned it off last night because it was getting a little too chilly for me. But as you can see, this is how I kind of had it routed. I had the condensation hose out the tailgate, blowing the hot air towards the back wall, down the tailgate, and then the two intake like air conditioning hose going up through the camper, and then I kind of like sandwiched it in between the two transformer floors, and it stayed really cold upstairs. Downstairs though, because of the hot air, I didn't really have a great way, so technically I probably should like have this outside the truck next time to get the best cooling upstairs and downstairs. But overall it was a great camping experience. But your boy forgot his coffee, so it's gonna be an early time at camp today. We're gonna pack up and we're gonna get some coffee because I need my morning coffee, you know what I mean? But we're gonna go hit some off-road trails on the way out of here. We're gonna go up that one spot where I kind of got cocked on 3 wheels. That was a cool little spot. That little obstacle keeps getting worse and worse and worse, and I like it because it's a fun little one. But yeah, we're gonna pack up and go get some coffee, hit some trails this morning, and overall it was a great little tester on the Cybertake air conditioner. I would definitely recommend it if you're in like in Arizona and you love the desert, or even if you need like take a little edge off camping in the wintertime, because it does have a heater function also. But I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can go find it if you guys are wondering. And you can use my coupon code also, which will be down below. But super awesome. I'm excited to finally be the bougie boy and have an air conditioner at camp, especially when it's hot and sweaty, because that's never fun. It'll be a fun time if we can go to the lake, camp on the lake, or go to the beach when it's not freezing. We can throw the air conditioner up in there and stay nice and cool. But yeah, we're gonna pack up and go hit the trails. All right, that is about it for this week's video. Just a little quick one-nighter to test out the air conditioner. And it was pretty dang nice being able to have an air conditioner out on the trails like that. But we're airing up right now, and we're gonna head back home, and I'll catch up with you guys next week. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me, and hit that hype button. It's like a little star. Really helps small creators like me out a lot. So please do that. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. You guys are amazing, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Peace out.